how to make money on people per hour as a video scripter, as a video script writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, PeoplePerHour is a platform where you can create a profile in order to list your own skills for the business owners or the individuals to come and purchase your skill from your profile. So this profile helps you showcase your skill to the entire visitors of the platform. So if anyone is looking for a video script writer, you'll just go to the search, click on search freelancers, and then enter your skill or the skill that he's looking for in here, and click on the search button. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile of yours just like those ones. So when someone is looking for a video script writer, he will find you just aligned with your competitors in a place in here. So here when we click on all offers, you will see all of the video script writers. So if you create your own profile, you will find yourself just close to those mates or the people that are doing the same skill like yours. So let's go back to the first page to show you how you can create your own profile. So here click on the freelancer button in your top right, and here click on I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email and password, then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. So here I'm going to enter my password and log in. And as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here click on apply now and complete your profile to join our community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you drop your profile picture, then you proceed with your job title. As you can see, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just go with video script writer. Then you proceed to your skills. So here the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15. So we cannot add more than that. So let's use these 15 spots wisely. So here let's start with script writing. Let's stick with script, video script, and here we can go for script. So that's what we have in the script making. We have build script making. Let's go with video editing, production, clip, marketing, post editing, shooting, videography, conversion, and video scribe. So that's all what we have in these skills about video script writer. After you're done with the skills, you proceed to the about you. So here you describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to enter a decent description for your profile, make sure to follow this method that I use personally, which is going and searching for your competitors and getting inspiration from their descriptions. So here we're going to click on the search button, Click on search freelancers, opening a new window, and click on the search freelancers button in here. Let's search for script writers to see their descriptions. So here we're going to go with all offers. So here we have write a script for an awesome explainer video for your business, and his name is Daniel and he gets paid $40 per hour. Write a voiceover script for your video up to 3 minutes by Bill, and he gets paid $75 per hour. He's a copywriter. Write up to 500 words on anything, $300. So here we're going to check Bill's description. So here let's check Bill's description, read more, and from the get-go you'll notice that this is a very long description. It will make the visitors or the views of his profile very bored from reading this description. As you can see, I'm a freelance direct response copywriter, author, and internet marketer. I've been a professional copywriter for 30 years, writing all manner of sales and marketing copy, web page content, email campaigns, SEO articles, video scripts, and much more. My work is of the highest possible standard with meticulous attention to detail and accuracy. Even though it's a long description, it's not it's not boring if you are reading it. I think he's really a good copywriter. Just from his description, it makes me want to read more. I specialize in creating informative, compelling, and engaging content to help promote a broad range of products and services all over the internet to a wide range of audiences. And here, as you can see, he's not playing around. He got 45 sales and he has more than 30 grand views, 30,000 views, as you can see, and 109 likes or favorite, or 109 persons add him to be their favorite offer. So that's very decent for someone like that. So that's our inspiration for this skill, guys. After you're done with the description, you enter your location, the languages that you can speak, and then you end with the hourly rate. Then you click on submit application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.